belly dance combinations can help us learn how to transition seamlessly and gracefully from one movement to the next. And when we string similar movements together right next to each other, it helps us to learn how to differentiate between them. Hi, welcome to SharqiDance. My name is Yame, and every other Thursday I'm here on this channel breaking down basic belly dance movements to help you get started on your belly dance journey or to help you practice between classes. Today, I'm going to be breaking down a really cute combination that I've been working on with my students that incorporates 3 belly dance movements that I consider to be foundational to this dance. So without further ado, let's get up and get started. As always, let's start in our basic posture with the feet about hip width apart, the knees soft, the pelvis in a neutral position. So for most of us, that means pointing the tailbone down to find some length through the lower back and a soft engagement through the lower belly. Our chest is open, our ribs are stacked over the hips, our head is stacked over the shoulders, and the shoulders are relaxed. From here, we'll work on alternating our shoulders, circling to the back, alternating right and left. And as we circle out the shoulders, make this into a full movement, meaning it's not an isolated movement of just the shoulders. We are allowing the chest to rotate, the rib cage and chest to rotate as the shoulder slides forward. As it slides up, we allow the ribs to open up to the side. As we slide back, the chest also twists to the back, and as we slide down, the ribs slide down. So it's a full upper body movement that involves the chest and the rib cage. And we're stabilizing the hands slightly in front of the body. So not allowing the movement to carry all the way out through the fingertips. That would make it into a different movement. So alternating shoulder circles or shoulder rolls going back. We're going to do this movement in a pose that I call Hitchhiker pose, and some other dancers call this Marilyn pose after Marilyn Monroe. You're going to be standing on one leg, in this case, standing on the right leg. The left foot comes slightly forward, the left heel is up, the left knee is bent. The right knee should be soft so that we can maintain our pelvis in that neutral position. So we're going to do the shoulder circles in this position and facing a diagonal. So if the weight is on the right leg, you're facing the right front diagonal. So the right front corner of your room. We'll do this here, shoulder rolls, alternating back. And again, alternating back. Allow your chest to move. Allow your ribs to move. Let's do a couple on the other side. So standing on the left leg, softening the left knee, pelvis is neutral. The right foot is slightly forward and the heel is up. Arms out to the sides, slightly in front. Stabilize the hands. Alternating shoulder circles back. Left, right, left, left. And left, right, left, left. And left, right, left. And relax. We'll add a little level change to this movement. And the level change is simply bending the standing knee forward and allowing the body to come straight down. We keep the weight on the standing foot, so no weight in the front foot, and keep that heel down. We're just bending the knee forward. The hips, the chest, the head are all coming straight down. So don't let yourself hinge back with your hips and lean forward. That would be a different type of level change, not the one that we're using today. So we're not hinging this way, we're coming straight down. We're not leaning back, we're coming straight down. So we're gonna add that to our alternating shoulder circles going back. So get ready in your Hitchhiker pose, standing on the right leg, facing the right front corner, and shoulder circles, level change down, and come right back up. And down, and up. Down, up, down, up. Let's try the other side. and down, up, down, up, down, up, down, up. So that is alternating shoulder circles going back on one leg with level change. Now right after the shoulder circles, we're going to do a chest shimmy, which is alternating shoulder slides forward and back, allowing the ribs and the chest to rotate as you slide the shoulders. And we just do that really fast. If you're not used to this movement just yet, I'm going to link the full breakdown of chest shimmies in this video and down in the description below so that you can work more closely just with that movement before you add it to this combination. So that's going to happen right after our shoulder circles going back. We're going to chest shimmy. So shoulder circles going back with level change and chest shimmy. Again, shoulder circles going back, chest shimmy. One more time on this side, shoulder circles going back and chest shimmy. Notice that these two movements are kind of similar to each other, and that's exactly why we're stringing them right next to each other in today's combination. To get us used to going from that sinuous, circular, smooth movement of the shoulders rolling back versus the sharp, fast shimmy movement of the shoulders moving forward and back. So let's try it on the right side. Shoulder circles going back, chest shimmy. Circles, shimmy. Circles, shimmy. And circles, shimmy. Now we're going to add a hip shimmy to this combination. For the hip shimmy, we ground both our feet on the floor and we bend and straighten the legs, alternating right and left, keeping our weight centered between both feet. As we bend and straighten the legs, the hips go up and down. If you need a full breakdown of hip shimmy, I also will link that somewhere on this video and in the description below so that you can work more closely just with this movement. So now we're going to alternate between shoulder circles, chest shimmy, shoulder circles, hip shimmy. And each time we go into the hip shimmy, we center ourselves facing forward. And when we go back into the shoulder circles, we go into the other diagonal to repeat the same combination on the other side. So if we start with our weight on the left, we'll start with the shoulder circles, chest shimmy, shoulder circles, ground your feet face forward, hip shimmy. Weight on the right, left foot unweighted forward, shoulder circles, chest shimmy, shoulder circles, ground yourself face forward, hip shimmy. For the shoulder circles and the chest shimmy, I have my arms out to the sides. Again, still out to the sides for shoulder circles. And then for the hip shimmy, I bring my hands in, I flip my palms to face my body, and I lower my hands all the way down. And then back out to the sides to repeat the same thing on the other side. If it's too much to think about all this, the direction shifts, the movements, the counts, and the arms, just keep your arms out to the sides the whole time. Let's go ahead and do this full combination to music. I'm going to be using a shift-to-telly rhythm track played by the amazing Egyptian tabla player, Hanny Morgan. And I will include in the description below a link to where you can purchase the music. So let's go ahead and get started. 4 counts per movement. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Shoulders, 2, 3, 4. Chest shimmy. Shoulders, hip shimmy. And shoulders, chest shimmy. Shoulders, hip shimmy. Shoulder rolls, chest shimmy. Shoulder rolls, hip shimmy. Shoulder rolls, chest shimmy. Shoulder rolls, hip shimmy. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. hip shimmy. Left side. And forward. Right side. Forward. Shoulders, chest, shoulders, hips. Shoulders, chest, shoulders, hips. One more time. Chest, shoulders, hips. Last round. Chest, shoulders, and hips. Keep the shimmy going. Inhale, arms up. Exhale, hands down in front of your heart. That's it for today. Thank you for practicing with me. If you enjoyed this video, be sure to hit like, to comment, to subscribe, hit the notification bell if you want to be notified every time that I post a new tutorial. And if you'd like to learn belly dance with me in live online classes with real-time feedback and support, be sure to check out my website, SharqiDance.com. All of my class offerings are listed on there. Thank you so much for practicing with me. I'll see you next time. Happy dancing. Bye.